Find yourself with a nice, comfortable posture, yet the spine is actively straight, crown of the head is lifting. And we always start our sessions just with this aspiration that beings benefit because we have this discipline to meet in this way. May it be. And we'll take a few breaths and allow ourselves to arrive. Feel the breath moving in and out. And, sometimes just the swirl of morning, getting ready, getting kids out to school, all these different things occurring. Sometimes that stir, even though it's early, is really fully there. So we notice it. And we use the breath as an anchor to pull ourselves in. Inhaling, consciously hearing ourselves saying inhale, consciously hearing ourselves saying exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now let's close our eyes gently for a moment and take notice of the inner field of appearance that occurs behind the eyelids. It's morning time, the sun is out, so you may be in a space where you're experiencing a lot of light in your inner field of appearance. Take note. Gaze into your field of appearance from inside. Notice how, even though the eyes are closed, appearances still occur. You might notice thoughts. You might picture things that happened. You might see your to-do list before you. Whatever it is that you see in this inner field of appearance, don't fight. You can look directly at whatever appears. And notice how when you look directly at it, it tends to dissolve or loosen up, placing acceptance with awareness directly on appearance. So do that for a couple of minutes. As you do this, this perhaps light appearance from behind the eyes might seem as if it expands. And then all of the thoughts and feelings and visions that are floating in and out are okay. It's not something to get frustrated over. With that expansiveness, we'll begin to open our eyes just slightly, gazing down toward the tip of the nose or just a little bit in front. And allow the outer world of appearances to occur. How does this field of experience shift? Now, just like our thoughts and feelings that occur when the eyes closed, or visualizations that occur when our eyes were closed were no problem, all of the appearances in this world are no problem. These physical appearances are not different from the thoughts, the emotions, the visualizations. So just sit and feel as if your mind is widening like a endless, boundless sky. Gently notice where is your awareness now. When a thought arises, have we been following? If you have, it's okay. We just notice whenever we start following. And we allow ourselves to open up the spaciousness of our mind and awareness like the sky. And begin to ask yourself the question, what is it that is aware of all of this? This is not a search of conceptualization. Bring the question in and simply rest and notice. What is it that's aware of all of this? without any kind of judgment. Notice your thoughts, notice your feelings, whether you have excitement, grasping, happiness, distraction, whatever it may be. Look directly at it. Placing the power of awareness in the center. And allow it to naturally, spontaneously dissolve into the field of wide open space. And allow ourselves to breathe in and imagine that space, like a blue sky, fills our entire body from head to toe, as if we dissolve. And on our exhale, the breath travels out into the world and everything matches. Blue sky in, blue sky out. And begin to inhale a nice full breath in. And we dedicate this practice and our day to ourselves, our families, our friends, communities, the whole world. May everybody lean toward peace and harmony. Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful day.